review of what we've been seeing in recent times from the NGX, and my colleague, markets editor Effiong Gekop, is live in the studio. Effiong, I want to look at this, the figures I saw today. The market, it was a bit of, should I say, was maybe bleeding. I'm thinking of the word now, was never with bashing, or what would I call it, that we saw yesterday. Take it away. Take it away.
Different kinds of trading patterns that we've seen this week, and today market is closing flat, 0.00%, meaning that engagement between buyers of stocks and sellers almost equal the same. You can see it's been a long time since we had it this way, and which means the interest of buyers, the interest of all of them moving in the different direction. The volume that we even traded today, surprisingly, got very, very big, 1.2 billion units of shares, valued 25.3 billion naira. Do you know the reason why the volume has increased? Because so many people have looked around. They don't seem to have any other kind of ability to do credible businesses outside. So those of them who understands the workings of the market, they carry their money, investable funds, to the market. And you know that the equities, even the bonds traded in the market, according to valuations, they are relatively very, very cheap. So they have packed huge volume. That's why we have this like this. But on the other levels, we are waiting for the economy to be completely unlocked in a way that so many of the production processes will be opened up. In other words, focus for manufacturers so that things will go up. So otherwise, it will not be as good as we expect. Now, focus is also going to the banking subsectors. Many of the banks, they are already sensitizing their shareholders that they should support them to be able to recapitalize. So that is good. If you go on major streets or highways, you will see indications from some banks, bringing their banners, their posters, just all that to put themselves, in your face so that you know what they are doing. So this is the what we are facing in the market. The shareholders have to look for money here and there, even outside the market. Those of them who still want to play big to be able to buy huge volume of shares that their banks are going to bring to the market, either as right issues or any other.
Even Champion Breweries, the beer company, is doing pretty well today. What is happening around that space too?
The Champion Brewery information is that a core investor.
Yeah, I think
also
investing, yes, buying into.
That is it. And we also have another information that another major company is also indicating interest to leave the economy. That one, I think, is still company and not a listed firm. It's a private company now. So some of we are likely going to see majority of this type of actions happening here and there. A lot of harassment, except we'll be able to handle them so very well. They are still complaining about FX. That's the issue. FX is then inflation. The ability to take money out of after the profits they have. So the profit level is the issue. Now, are they able to take back to their parents' companies? That's where they are now complaining of. So if they feel that they cannot do it, you see them loading and looking for new buyers, new investors to sell off. I would have loved a situation where if they want to exit the Nigerian economy, we have Nigerian companies being able to take up this from them. But I don't know. I doubt whether that is the situation. So
I want to thank you so much, Effiong Gekop, for your analysis as usual.
Thank you, Tolu.
All right.